Imagine waking up in the middle of the night to the sound of church bells ringing an alarm. You open your window, and instead of calm London streets, you see flames stretching across the horizon. This was the terrifying reality on September 2nd, 1666, when the Great Fire of London broke out, an inferno that would destroy nearly the entire city and forever change its future. It all began in a small bakery on Pudding Lane. Thomas Farriner, the king's baker, had closed up shop for the night, but a stray spark from his oven ignited the timber and thatched roofs nearby. Within hours, the fire spread like wildfire, literally, helped by a summer drought and strong winds. Wooden homes packed tightly together turned into torches, and the flames raced from house to house. London at the time was a city of wood and pitch, highly flammable materials. Streets were narrow, and buildings leaned so close together that neighbors could almost shake hands from their windows. The fire leapt across streets and devoured everything in its path. Panic gripped the city. People grabbed what little they could carry, bedding, valuables, children, and fled. Eyewitnesses described the chaos. Families separated, carts overturning, and even the River Thames crowded with boats packed with desperate Londoners trying to escape. For 4 days, the fire raged uncontrollably. It consumed St. Paul's Cathedral, 87 parish churches, and more than 13,000 houses. When the flames finally died down on September 6th, the scale of devastation was shocking. About 80,000 people, nearly two-thirds of London's population, were left homeless. The city was in ruins, a smoldering wasteland of ash and collapsed stone. And yet, remarkably, only a handful of lives were officially recorded as lost, though modern historians believe the true toll was much higher, hidden by the chaos and poor record-keeping of the time. The Great Fire wasn't just a disaster. It was also a turning point. Rebuilding London meant rethinking the city itself. New building regulations banned the use of wood and required houses to be built from brick and stone. Streets were widened, and open spaces were created to prevent future infernos from spreading so quickly. Architect Sir Christopher Wren designed a new St. Paul's Cathedral, which still stands today as one of London's most iconic landmarks. Out of the ashes rose a city stronger, safer, and grander than before. The Great Fire of London was one of the most destructive events in the city's history, but it also transformed London into a modern metropolis. From a tiny spark in a bakery, the city was nearly wiped off the map, only to rise again, rebuilt with resilience and ambition. So the next time you walk through London's stone streets or gaze up at St. Paul's Cathedral, remember, this is a city quite literally reborn from fire.